Truck manufacturer liability. When is the truck manufacturer at fault for an accident? So this is something that we call the manufacturing defect, and that's when there has been a breakdown or an error in the manufacturing process of the truck or a piece of equipment that goes into the truck and makes it run, like brakes, tires, steering mechanisms, the fuel tank, anything like that. When you can prove that there's a manufacturing defect, strict liability applies instead of the general negligence principle. So this is a really great claim if you can prove that there was a defect, because again, it's the strict liability instead of negligence. So you don't have to go through all of the elements of proving up the negligence claim. However, proving a manufacturing defect is harder and more complicated than a regular case. That's why it's so important to get the vehicle inspected after the accident and have the truck inspected before it leaves the scene. Also to hire an attorney who can help you kind of navigate this complicated area of law. Also, the attorney can help you collect all of the necessary information and evidence that you need to prove a manufacturing defect. Looking at things like vehicle inspection reports, records, maintenance records, all of that stuff will help you to prove up a truck manufacturing defect claim.